Okay, that was the desperation heave. All right.
All right.
Game over. Celtics win.
Can't believe we came back on that one.
Jabari Parker looked like an absolute stud. Like, he looked like somebody who would have been a second overall pick in the draft. Got 3 of the Donruss blasters, 3 Prizm blasters. We'll do these Donruss ones up first. Got a whole lot of cards tonight, so thanks again for joining us.
Everybody paid on time.
Yeah, thanks for paying on time. That makes it easy on us, especially when I'm trying to watch the end of the Celtics game. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs. Good luck, everybody. I think this is the first time we've done any breaks with Donruss. Aaron Baines, first card of the break. And, of course, they're all in here upside down, sideways. Kyrie. Brooke Lopez. Doug McDermott. Miles Turner. Little orange. Andre Drummond. That one will be going to the Cavs. Whoops.
God, I hate that.
Yeah. Slows it down. Cassius Winston. Nick Richards. CP3, Dorian Finney-Smith, Bojan Bogdanovic, Duncan Robinson, DeAndre Hunter, franchise features, Bradley Beal, CJ Ellaby, and Nico Mannion. Yeah, that's Josie sending the text. He said Tatum was big in the 4th. KD. Josh Jackson. Dellavedova. Bobby Portis. Little second-year Tyler Hero. Nice one for the Bulls. Great expectations. Patrick Williams. Xavier Tillman. And Desmond Bane. Doubled up on the Memphis Grizzlies rookies there. Jordan Clarkson. Klay Thompson. Seth Curry, Jeff Green, Bryn Forbes, Power in the Paint, Karl Anthony Towns. Nice one for the Knicks, Emmanuel Quickley, and Zeke Naji to the Nuggets. Whole lot of rookies in this Donruss stuff. Dylan Brooks, Christian Wood, Jaylen Brown, Wesley Matthews, Marquise Chris. Complete players, Anthony Davis. Here go Pistons, little Sadiq Bey. And to the Celtics, Aaron Nesmith.
He didn't get any play.
He did not play. That's got to be kind of frustrating. Jabari Parker gets out of the taxi, walks in, and plays big minutes, and then...
and they're like, well, Shimmy didn't play, but he's getting a start tonight.
Yep.
He played pretty good.
P.J. Washington Jr., LaMarcus Aldridge, Bismack Biyombo, Danilo Gallinari. Oh, here we go. How we want to do this. I'll just flip it over and do it. Mo Bamba. Jersey Series to the Magic. It's actually a pretty cool patch. It's got little 2-color action. Dame Lillard.
Dame time.
Whoops. Killian Hayes. Is the sound off? Oh no. Shit. Hang on, guys.
Has it been off the whole time?
I don't know. Because we were talking about the Celtics game. Can you hear me now? Another Patrick Williams.
That's weird. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's strange. I've never.
We'll give it a second.
Yeah.
And we're at a place where we can
Okay.
restart it because we're at a place where whatever. Yeah, I never had this happen, so it's weird.